We gonna move to Canada.
Yes.
Who are you? I'm Sarah.
I'm Tim.
And I'm Timo.
And I, Shanna.
Should we go to the playground?
Yes.
Yes!
Yes.
Should we play Pete?
Yes.
Yes!
Yes.
Okay, I'm starting.
Okay.
Pete.
Pete. Ow, Pete.
Pete. And no, I'm Undertaker. Pete.
Oh no, I'm Jacob. Pete.
Pete.
No. Pete.
Pete.
Pete. Ow, Pete.
Pete.
Stop. What else?
Can we play something else?
Yes.
Yes. Oh no, it's starting raining! Run! Oh, we're finally safe.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Yeah. Should we meet tomorrow on a mountain? It's just over there.
Yes.
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 It's a brown mountain.
You gonna be in love with me? Yes.
Will you gonna be in love with me?
Yes.
Kiss, kiss.
Kiss, kiss.
Well, I have sandwich with me.
Nice.
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 Goodbye, my friends.
Goodbye. Goodbye. Goodbye.